Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to this video. Today we're comparing three popular digital photo frames in 2025. Aeezo, Skylight, and Nixplay. Whether you're looking to gift a family member or brighten up your home, this video will help you decide which frame gives you the best value for your needs. Starting with Aeezo. This frame is known for its affordable pricing and impressive display quality. It offers a 10-inch touchscreen with HD resolution, which is great for viewing photos in high detail. It also has an easy-to-use Wi-Fi connection to upload photos remotely, and you can even send pictures directly through the Aeezo app. The only downside is that the interface isn't as sleek as some competitors, but it gets the job done for the price. Next up, we have Skylight. Skylight frames are known for their simple setup and ease of use. You can instantly send photos to the frame via email, which makes it super easy for anyone, especially non-tech savvy users. The 10-inch display has a solid resolution, but it's a bit on the pricier side compared to others. If you're looking for a simple, reliable option with an intuitive interface, Skylight is a solid choice. Finally, we have Nixplay, one of the most versatile and feature-rich digital frames on the market. The Nixplay smart frame comes in different sizes, from 10-inch to 15-inch displays, and offers HD resolution. It has a great Wi-Fi connection and allows you to upload photos from your phone, social media accounts, or email. The app is user-friendly, and the frame even offers motion sensors to turn on when someone walks by. However, it's a bit more expensive than the other two, but you're getting a premium experience. Here's a quick comparison. Affordable, good display quality, and easy app-based photo sharing. Skylight, super simple setup, email photo sharing, slightly more expensive. Niche-packed, customizable, with premium display and extra features like motion sensors. In the end, if you're on a budget and just need a solid frame, Aeezo is a good pick. If you want something simple and easy to use, Skylight might be for you. For the tech-savvy who want extra features and premium quality, Nixplay stands out. Thanks for watching. Let us know which frame you prefer for your home in 2025.